Hey guys, what's going on? This is Tyler Martin, and I just wanted to make this quick video to update you now that it is officially 2023. If you have downloaded this gig tracker in the past, you should receive an email today with all these updated assets so that you can create your new months for the year of 2023. If you haven't downloaded this yet and you're downloading it in 2023, this should all already be here for you. But if you've been using Gig Tracker for a while, let me show you how to create new months just to make sure everything is functioning properly. First, you'll come over here to your months tab and you'll just click New Month. And I already have the template set up here, so just click New Month and you'll see we have our income and expenses here. This is all just pulling stuff in from your regular DoorDash data entry section. But what we need to do here is click on 7 more properties, and this is going to show all the hidden properties. And this is the last month of 2023, so I'm going to type in here that this is for December 2023. Actually, I think I've just been doing 23 like that. You can add your goal income if you want. I usually wait till the month of to add the goal income. But one thing you do need to update here is this date section. Just make sure that that is the first date of the month. That's going to help with filtering and with sorting, so just be sure the first date of the month is there. And next we'll just add our icons. We're going to custom upload it with it's in the Gig Tracker 2023 assets icons. This is December, so I'll open up 12 and there we go, and click add cover, change cover. We're going to upload. We're going to go back to Gig Tracker 2023 assets, go into cover images and 12. There we go. I like to reposition this so that you can see the name of the month. Save it, and boom, that's it. It's 2023. Happy New Year, you guys. Good luck with your side businesses and your gigs this year. Gig Tracker is here to help you out, especially if you have a goal in 2023 to organize your finances better. If you have a goal to increase your profitability on your side gig, Gig Tracker is here to help you out. Please leave a comment down below letting me know how you like this template, if you have any ideas to improve it. If you've downloaded this on Gumroad, please go to Gumroad to your downloads page and leave a review. It's super helpful. Thank you guys again for all of your support. Happy New Year, and I will see you in the next video.